Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 to make a font fancy for this cutting board, which I really like. I like the idea. And I did it before. It could be a little bit difficult, and this way it will be a lot easier, and you could play around with it quite a bit. You need to go to Object to ever do anything like this and convert your text to a curve. So it's just a curve. Then go up to your Shape tool and get your Smear tool. And then just click on your item and start smearing your letter. Now, don't worry about it. Some of it's thick and you've got a little hook right there. Don't worry about that. And then take this one, which should be the longer one, which is really going to take a lot more time. And you just have to go slow and just kind of keep smearing it. And like I said, on the other side, don't worry about imperfections because it's going to smear it funny looking sometime. Don't worry about that right there. And let's just say that's good enough, because then you just take your Shape tool and start delete. Let's zoom in here and start deleting these nodes to get rid of that imperfection that you created. And sometimes you might like it. And sometimes this could really mess up, but it looks pretty good there. And then just get your smoothing tool, which everybody has if you have X7 or above, and smooth that guy out. Ever so slightly, just kind of smooth it. And in the first video, we had some going to thick to thin. You can create that. Go back to your Shape tool and take those nodes and just kind of bring them in a little bit, if that's the look you want. Let's go back to the smoothing tool. I always smooth it out again just to make it look. And you could play around with this for hours, and it's going to look good or better, and sometimes it won't. But the Shape tool will let you get rid of some nodes and completely change the shape of it. And then you could always use your handles to do other things. And I like the less amount of nodes there are to an extent, because after a while they're going to start messing up. But that looks pretty good, and it's a lot, no welding, no drawing, no deleting. And anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.